Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to log into GoDaddy.com quick and easy. If you are watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. To log into GoDaddy, go click open any web browser you want. Soon after you do that, go to the URL box at the top and type in www.godaddy.com and press the enter on your keyboard. Now, as soon as you do that, you'll end up in the official website of GoDaddy. Go and click on the sign in button at the upper right, and this will bring out an expanded menu. In order to log in, go and click on the sign in option at the top. If you don't have an account yet, click on create an account under new customer and follow the instructions to register yourself to a new account first. Once you have an account, you can come to this page and click on sign in. Now, you'll be able to see a sign in box on your display. Start by entering your username or your customer ID associated with GoDaddy. Once you do that, move on to the next field and type in the password for your account. You can double check your password by clicking on this eye icon in the right corner. Once you reveal and double check, you can move on to the next step. If you want to stay signed in to the device so that you won't have to log in again and again, you can keep this box checked. But remember that if you're using a public device or a shared device, make sure to uncheck the box for your security. You can also sign into your account with the help of your Facebook account or your Google account. In case you don't remember your password and your username, you can click on these links right below. If you lost your username, click on your username option and follow the instructions to look for it. In case you've forgotten your password, click on your password link and reset your password by following the instructions well. Once you've done entering all the credentials, click on sign in, and with this you have quickly logged into your GoDaddy account in no time. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.